how to adjust game settings for optimal performance. So if you want to adjust game settings for optimal performance, for example, Marble Rivals, this game runs on Real Engine 5. There are a lot of settings that you can disable within the game. That's why performance is lower than expected for many people. But don't worry, we can still optimize it for great latency and smoother feels. Starting at step 1, we have Windows settings. Before even launching the game, let's go over a few basic Windows settings to make sure your system is ready for performance. First, you need to click on your Windows button and then search for the game mode. After that, hit the enter and be sure to turn this option on, which is the game mode option. Go to the graphics section or search for graphic settings. Click on it and you will have graphic option right here. You need to click on graphics and then go with change default graphic settings. Here, set your default high performance GPU to your dedicated graphics card. Then make sure that the hardware accelerated GPU scheduling, if available, then turn it on. Next up, enable optimizations for Windows games at the bottom. Marble Rivals runs in DirectX 12 and not an exclusive full screen mode. So this option helps you get more latency close to the full screen. Lastly, if you also have an option of variable refresh rate, go and turn that on as well. It might not be available in all of your computers. Look for enabling this, not just for Marble Rivals, but every game you can possibly play. If you want more details on how to set up VRR, you might need to Google that one. Now, the second step is you need to close the background apps. So you need to go with the taskbar. Right-click on your taskbar and then go with your task manager and close out any of the programs that you don't need while gaming. These can take up resources unnecessarily. One of the biggest apps is Google Chrome. You have no idea how much this thing actually takes away. So close these tabs and see how it performs. Step 3 is actually launching Marble Rivals and going into the practice range and testing out if there is a performance change. Some of these can be very minor, so it might be hard to tell, but you should be getting a few more frames. So these are the few settings, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.